What's going on, guys? It's Eric here from Dose VT. Happy to bring you guys another video. So as you can see by the video, you see that it says AirTag. So AirTag is one of Apple's new products that they just came out with. It is a competitor to Tile. So most people are very familiar with Tile. Tile being a company that made multiple different sizes for multiple different things, from putting it in your wallet to be able to attach it to like a backpack, attach it to a key ring or anything like that. So they came in a bunch of different sizes, styles, looks, stuff like that. So Apple decided to finally come out with theirs, and theirs are circular. They're not very thick, but they are only circular. You can't get these in a rectangle, you can't get them in a square, anything like that compared to Tile. But it is also Apple, so you know it's going to work with everything else, which is awesome. So with that being said, AirTag for the 4-pack, which is what I have here. As you guys can see, it says 4-pack. This retails for $100. You can buy a single one, which is only $30. So the deal, if you want more, is to buy the 4-pack. Then they also sell like the key ring and a bunch of other different accessories that you could possibly need to attach this to. So I'll open it up here. Nothing insanely special. They should have. Apple being Apple, they have their nice little pull tabs here, so hopefully pulling that will be able to pull it out of the box. So pulling it out of the box, there's nothing in here. On top, you get your normal directions, how Apple does everything. Nothing special. Then you open it up, and you can see your 4. So it gives you a little description on how it works. It's very simple. It's like connecting all the other Apple products, like when it comes to doing your AirPods, your Apple Watch. It's very easy to use. So taking one of them out of here so I can show you guys what it looks like. It's very, very, very thin. Not like insanely thin, but very, very thin. I'm not going to pull this yet, because that once you pull this completely off, it'll activate the battery. The battery in these is a watch battery. So Apple actually did something very convenient for most people, and not do something the Apple way, to where if this died you'd have to buy a new one, which I'm very surprised they didn't do. And you have the ability to take the battery out and change it. It's a normal watch battery. You can buy it like at Best Buy or any other retail store that sells batteries. I'm pretty sure you can probably find it at Kroger or whatever place you shop to buy groceries or anything like that. But it is completely white on the front here. Then you just have the Apple logo. It is a little fingerprinty, so I can leave my fingerprint and it'll show. You guys can't really see it too good on here. But there's 4 of these. So Apple, like I told you, sells accessories for these. I did buy some, but I bought mine off Amazon because I wanted certain ones, and I was trying to find different accessories for what I think I would use them for. So Apple does sell one like this, to where you can attach it to this little metal loop down here, and you can attach it to basically anything. So nothing insane there. And then the next one is my favorite. It's the key ring, so you can attach this to your car keys or anything like that you would want to attach this for. And then the next one is also another key ring. I wanted 2 based off the one I bought. Then this one is kind of unique. It's just kind of like a loop. So granted, I could probably use it for something else, but this is kind of like a cheat cane loop. Like if you wanted to attach it to something, I have no idea. Honestly, I have no idea what I'm going to use this one for, but I just wanted different options. I knew I wanted at least 2 keychains, one for my AirPods and one to attach something else to, and then I wanted to use this one for like my backpack or whatever, just so I would have all like the bases covered with what I would need. But I highly recommend going on Amazon and buying these. I think buying like this 4 set was like 17 bucks. Buying one of these from Apple, I believe, is like 30 bucks or 20 bucks, somewhere around the range. Buying one of these from Apple is about the same. And just because it doesn't say branded by Apple or anything like that doesn't mean it's not going to work. All it is just a sleeve. It's like buying an Apple Watch band. So like buying like one of these. This is the original one that came with the Apple Watch, but you can find a band just like this anywhere on Amazon. But I just wanted to show you guys, that's just the accessories. Show you guys what the actual AirTag looks like. Honestly, I'm very excited to see how well this works. From everything I've read and looked at, it's supposed to work way better than Tile and basically work with any Apple product that you have, which is awesome. So you can look this up on basically anything. Obviously, it's especially very well with the iPhone because that's what it's made to do. That's obviously why you see your iPhone in these pictures. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I will bring you a review later on of how well I like these, and doing like a setup of one to show you guys how it sets up. It's very simple. Anything Apple makes is very simple because obviously the more dumbed down it is, the easier people are going to want to use it. But there you go, guys. If you have any questions about them, just leave it down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. But thanks for watching, guys. Peace.